What if I told you that 60 minutes every Sunday morning, following a specific natural cleaning routine in a precise sequence, could keep your entire home consistently clean and fresh throughout the week, while eliminating the need for daily cleaning stress and those exhausting weekend deep cleaning marathons? What if this one weekly ritual using only natural ingredients could transform not just your home but your entire relationship with the week ahead? I've been following this exact routine for 4 months, and the difference it's made to my home and my mental clarity every Monday morning is genuinely life-changing. Stay with me to see how this routine can transform your week. The problem with random cleaning. Most people clean reactively. They clean when things look visibly dirty, when guests are coming, when the embarrassment becomes overwhelming, or when they finally have a free day to tackle accumulated mess. This reactive approach creates a home that oscillates between clean and chaotic, never achieving that consistent baseline of cleanliness that genuinely supports well-being and productivity. Every Monday feels like starting the week slightly behind because the weekend's chaos hasn't been addressed. Every unexpected visitor creates a moment of anxiety rather than confident welcome. The preparation, 5 minutes before starting. The 5 minutes before the timer starts determines how efficiently the 60 minutes unfold. Prepare all natural cleaning supplies in a portable caddy before moving to the first room. Spray bottle of diluted white vinegar solution. Spray bottle of diluted dish soap solution. Dry baking soda in a shaker container. Hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. Microfiber cloths in sufficient quantity to complete the entire routine without running back for more. And a small bucket for any wet applications needed. Minutes 1 to 15. The kitchen sprint. The kitchen receives attention first, because it's the highest traffic, highest contamination area in most homes, and addressing it first allows cleaning solutions maximum contact time on stubborn areas while you work elsewhere. Spray all counter surfaces with diluted vinegar solution, or diluted dish soap solution for natural stone countertops, and leave them without wiping yet. Minutes 16 to 30. The bathroom complete reset. The bathroom reset follows kitchen because you're already in a cleaning mindset, and bathroom cleaning similarly benefits from parallel processing, with solutions sitting while other tasks happen. Spray the toilet bowl interior with a mixture of baking soda and vinegar and leave it. Spray all exterior toilet surfaces, sink basin, and counter with diluted vinegar solution. Wipe all exterior surfaces immediately while the bowl treatment sits. Clean mirror with diluted vinegar and microfiber cloth using horizontal then vertical strokes for streak-free finish. Minutes 31 to 45. Living areas. Living area reset focuses on surfaces, floors, and the soft furnishings that accumulate a week's worth of dust and odors. Quick baking soda sprinkle on upholstered sofa if odor freshening is needed, left while addressing other areas and vacuumed last. All hard surfaces, coffee tables, shelves, entertainment units, wiped with diluted vinegar solution on microfiber cloth, following top-to-bottom sequence without exception. Windows and glass surfaces receive vinegar spray and buffing with fresh microfiber cloth. Minutes 46 to 60. Bedroom and finishing touches. Bedroom reset addresses the sleep environment that significantly impacts Monday morning energy. Fresh bed linen if scheduled for this week, or straightening and smoothing current bedding into orderly presentation. Nightstand surfaces cleared and wiped with vinegar solution. Quick vacuum or floor wipe depending on surface type. Any clothes returned to wardrobe or hamper rather than remaining on chairs or floor. The Monday morning difference. Waking up Monday after completing Sunday reset creates a genuinely different emotional experience. The kitchen is clean and ready for morning coffee without obstacle. The bathroom is fresh and welcoming rather than requiring mental note-taking about what needs attention. Living areas are calm and organized. Bedroom feels like a proper retreat. Starting each week from this baseline of calm, consistent cleanliness changes the entire emotional tone of Monday morning and by extension the week itself. If this routine just gave you the system you've been looking for, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more structured natural living routines. Share with anyone whose Monday mornings feel chaotic. Comment what time Sunday you're starting your first reset. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, reset every Sunday, use natural ingredients throughout, and experience what entering Monday from calm, rather than chaos, genuinely feels like.